Sometimes, if you want the reader to start reading only when people are walking through it, then you can set the GPO here. Choose GPO and GPO 1 and high level. A command must be input here. Let's get it first. First of all, let's select all the antennas for this reader. Then we come to log. Clear and read again. And press stop. Copy this command, and we're gonna need part of it. So this is all we need. We delete the first 2 digits and the last 4 digits. Copy the rest part and come back to settings. Still GPO 1, high level. And we paste the command we just copied. Here we choose delay stop and input 150 here. Same setting for GPO 2. Let's test it. To cancel GPI trigger settings, we need to find GPO 1 and GPO 2 and choose off and set, then it's done. So EAS setting, I mean the beep and light. Let's take this EPC number for example. So all the settings will be here, EAS. Let's say I want 34 into my blacklist and it's in the first byte of this EPC number. So I put 1 here and match data should be the same as my blacklist 34. And mask should be the same digit as the match data and all of them should be even numbered. And these are some examples showing that what should be filled in different occasions. You can choose the match star according to this.